Okay, I'm gonna take a nap now. If I'm not up by 3:45, will you wake me up, Katie?
Yeah, okay.
Did you hear that noise?
Yeah, I did.
Huh. What is that?
I don't know.
Where's it coming from?
I don't know.
For Christ's sake, what is that?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go find out. Is it in here? Oh, it's upstairs. Jenny? Jenny, what are you doing?
My name is Mephistopheles, and I've spent my life and night in dark lament to show my sadness, and I bang the bats.
Jenny, what the fuck? The power of Christ compels you! The power of Christ compels you!
Damn, exercised again.
Wow, thanks, Kathy. Want to go get a snack after class?